Welcome back, folks. You might have seen a previous video where I talked about a Wuben X2 Pro ECL, Easy Carry Light. I've been using that light for a nice while now, guys. I love it. It's a fantastic little compact unit, and it's a great addition to my backpack. Well, Wuben contacted me again recently, and they are in the process of releasing a new product, and they wanted me to test it out. So the new product is the Wuben G5 ECL. It's even smaller than the X2 Pro, but it's very powerful little unit, guys. This one comes with, again, you have a locking switch so the light doesn't come on automatically. Turn it on, and and you set it to open up the charging port. Now this unit does not have a battery built in. It has to be charged via USB-C. So USB-C cable comes with it, a lanyard, a little key ring to put on it, and Wuben actually sent me this lovely pin that I'll be putting in my hat later. But yeah, so let's get talking about this little G5 unit. So yeah, you have to charge it via a USB-C port, and you see that port right there. And when you're not in use, if it's locked, the port covers up. You turn the switch to the center position, right there. The unit now is ready to use. There's an on button right there. Okay. So it has a magnetic base, which is also great. It also had this built-in clip, guys, and if you notice, the clip is orientated this way right now. If you pull it out, you can rotate it, and the clip can be in that configuration, we'll say. And that's convenient for if you want to put it on your hat, like I'll do here. Just give me a second, folks. Put it on the hat, like so. You can wear it on your hat, like so. You put it, turn that little clasp to the side if you want to put it on the side of a helmet. But yeah, it's versatile in that regard. So you can clip it onto whatever you clip it on your backpack, and so on. And now, another key feature that I like about this light is that this is a rotating head. The lens itself on the top, it actually rotates. So I could have it facing that way. I could turn it up straight for the light to be that way, or turn it right around backwards. So yeah, this rotating light makes it convenient. For example, if I had it on my backpack, I want to shine it down on my walking trail, no problem. If I want to put it up on my hat, like I just did, rotate it back this way, so it's pointing it straight, and so on. So yeah, this is a key feature that I like, this rotating lens head that's on it. So to turn the light on, make sure it's in the on position, press it once, and it'll come up in whatever mode it was in last. So obviously I used this in the red, green, blue mode earlier. If I hold that, it switches to the white light mode. And again, same as the other unit, the G5 allows you to change the intensity of that white light. You rotate the little dial here on the side, and again you can see I can change the intensity of that light. Now, I don't want to blind you in the camera, but it goes right to maximum there, or I can turn it down to minimum. Okay. Double clicking on that same switch brings you back to full brightness while it's in the white mode. If I click it once, it goes off. Okay. Now, if I click it twice when it's off, it comes up into strobe mode. You see it's red there now. And I can switch between as red and blue right now. If I double click again, switches to red and green. Double click once more, switches to red and yellow. Okay. If I hold the switch, turns it off. Now, like I said, if I turn it back on again, single click, comes back up into white mode. If I double click, or sorry, if I just press and hold the power button, it switches to red, green, blue mode. And you can change the color in that mode by using this, again, the rotating dial. So I can switch between blue, red, yellow, green, and so on, to different color modes while changing the dial. If I press and hold it again, it goes back to the white mode, white light, and again I can change the intensity with this dial. Okay, I got to put the specs up here on the screen for all the lumen levels for the different modes. But basically, guys, this is a very versatile light. It's got, like I said, got a magnetic base, got this attaching a clip here, rotating head. Very versatile light. Put a lanyard on it, or put the ring on it. You can hang it off your backpack, hang it off your belt, your wallet, your pocket. Sorry, anything like that. So check out the Wuben G5, guys. It's not released yet. It'll be coming out in early April. But if you want a compact little light, like I said, this, see how big this is. It's very, very compact with lots of light power. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks to Wuben for sending me this product to test. I will be adding it to my arsenal along with the X2 Pro. And again, appreciate the pin. And we'll be talking to you in the next video. Take care, folks.